Welcome to this video on the install and setup of UVexplorer Server. UVexplorer Server is the dashboard for multiple UVexplorer implementations. It allows you to view and control multiple networks, all from a single sign on Web UI. UVexplorer Server is an on-premise solution. First, download UVexplorer Server from the website. We offer the exe and zip file download. Click the file to start the installer. First, accept the license agreement for UVexplorer Server, checkmark the box and click Next. Then review the release notes and click Next. Now specify the folder you want to download UVexplorer Server to. UVexplorer Server requires a Mongo database. Click the MongoDB install link to follow that process. Once set up, enter the MongoDB URL and usernames. Now you will need to enter the domain name where UVexplorer Server is installed, the open port, and any security certificates. Then click Next. UVexplorer Server will now set up the services and other program files. Now you can test the connection to UVexplorer Server and open the dashboard. After clicking Next, UVexplorer Server will display the steps to activate. Click Next and then Finish to close the installer. The UVexplorer Server's dashboard requires the username and password configured in the installer. Once logged in, all of the connected networks will be displayed. To add additional users and groups, click Admin. In the Users tab, you can create new users and edit and delete current users. In the Groups tab, you can create and edit groups. The Authentication Settings tab allows you to configure Google Workspace accounts, connect to Active Directory, and SAML single sign-on accounts. UVexplorer Server is activated in the License tab. The build information and updates are also available here. The Credentials tab allows you to copy configurations from network to network. For a high volume of automations, please contact the support team. The Audit Log tab displays all user logins and network changes. The Admin Reports tab allows users to export network device data in aggregate. This export is a CSV saved to your system. The Integration Settings tab connects UVexplorer Server and the agents to our integration partners. These include IT Glue, Hoodoo, Asset Panda, Jira, Patch Manager, ServiceNow, and Slack. Thank you for watching this video on the setup and install of UVexplorer Server, your first look, and the admin section. If you have any questions or to download and test UVexplorer Server, please visit uvexplorer.com.